Hi, so here is the tutorial for the song Vennila, Chandana, Kinnam. It is one of my most favorite evergreen songs, and a lot of people in my family also like it. So yeah, so I've done the cover and then it's in the description below. So I suggest you to watch that. So in the normal video, I have used tenor ukulele, which is slightly much bigger than this ukulele. But for now, I have a concert ukulele with a high string. If you have watched the previous video, I've used the low G string. You can still play it on the normal ukulele. But before we proceed, tune your ukulele to G, C, E, A. So it will sound like this. If you have a low G string, carry on. If you have a high G string, it is not a problem. Now the most important chord we'll be using for this song is a G, and you have many variations for that G. And we sometimes touch the C5 chord. So we start with a G with your thumb strummed down, and with your index finger plug the E string, holding that G. So it's down, 1, 2, and then with your middle finger, let go of the A string, open A. So put back. Now from here, the ring finger which we have used over here on the E string, fold it, and so it covers the third fret of the A string. So it goes something like this. On the E string, open A, then put back your middle finger back to the second fret of the A string, fold your ring finger, fold it, bring it back, open, and then again 2. So it's okay. So that's how you go with playing of the A string and not moving much of your 3 fingers on the G, but instead folding and letting go. So it's basically the middle and the ring finger which moves, which does most of the work. So I suggest to strum okay, so the next chord we'll be using is a C5 chord. So it's basically a C string, a C chord, but instead of covering the third fret of the A string, we also cover the third fret of the E string. So I suggest to use your index finger to hold it like this, because we'll be playing more of the melody here on the A strings. So it'll be 1 down, and your pinky on the 5th fret, holding that C6, and then 7, then let go of the, so it'll be on the 3rd fret, and then make a staircase, something like an E minor, but then letting go of the open C, and it will just be these two. 1 finger on the 2nd fret here and of the A string, and another finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. So it will be so D, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then with your plug the A string which is open, and then a G. You can play the same thing with your right hand strumming all the way, and it will give you the same effect, which I've done in the second part of the cover below. So it's like okay. So we have done the main chorus of the song. Now the ta-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, the part where the singer raps, literally raps. It is still on the G string. So it is, with your right hand will just be going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all the way. So like every word is every strum. So you'll be with your G, and then now you fold your ring finger so that the third fret of the A string will be covered, and then the G again, and then let go of the A string. again G, and then let go of the A string, and then now the D chord. So if you put it together, it will be like this. So it's D, and then on the A string, 2, then let go. So play it 4 times. So after the 4th time, you'll be doing a bar chord. Bar chord, hammer on the 3rd fret of the A string. Then stretch your pinky on the 7th fret. And then on the 5th fret. And then now a G, a normal G, but on the A string you go on the 5th fret. Okay, so that's how it sounds like. So if you put it all together, it sounds like this. So now we go to the high pitch singing part, which sounds like this. Okay, so we go on all the way to the 7th fret. So you bar the 7th fret, and then use your pinky to cover the 10th fret. So it sounds like it looks like this, like an L-shaped chord. So we alternate between the 10th and the 9th fret. So it's jumping around here, 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 like this. So the 10th for the pinky and the 9th for the ring finger. D chord. Then you plug the A string open and hammer on the 2nd. So it's like this. Hammer, plug open, hammer, and then plug open again. Then plug on the E string, which you are holding the D, and then hammer on the 3rd. Then after you hammer on the 3rd, you play the G. Then you go back. Okay. Then the next will be the bridge towards the chorus back again, which extends all the way to the 5th fret. So you're covering the 5th fret like this, but you'll be using your ring finger on the 7th fret. Then now it's just finger picking of melody. So it's then just look how it goes, and then that's how it is with the tabs above. Okay, and then go back to the E minor without the C string. So the song really takes kind of a lot of practice. So it really took me about 3 days to arrange it. So yeah, it might be tough, but then in practice everything will be perfect. Yeah, so yeah, and that's how you play Vennila, Chandana, Kinnam, Fingerstyle Ukulele. I've broken down the parts of the song, and then when you play together, that's how the song really sounds like. For reference, you can just watch my cover, and then you can see where does where go. So that's it. Thank you, and remember to subscribe and share. Take care.